Assalamu alaikum, myself Nishat. I am from Daffodil International University. First of all, Ensemble Learning. Ensemble Learning is a meta algorithm which is a widely used and preferred machine learning technique in which multiple individual models, often called based model, are combined to produce an effective optimal production model. There are three methods in ensemble learning, and these are bagging, boosting, and stacking. Bagging machine learning is also known as bootstrap aggregation, is an ensemble learning technique that helps to improve the performance and accuracy of machine learning algorithm. It used to deal with bias variance, trade-off, and reduce the variance of a production model. Bagging avoids overfitting of data and is used for both regression and classification model, specifically for decision tree algorithm. Algorithms are performed by using consider there are n observation and m feature in the training set. Then we need to select random samples from the training dataset without replacement. Then a subnet of m feature in chosen randomly to create a model using sample observations. Then the feature offering the best split out of the lot is used to split the nodes. Then the tree is ground, so we have the best root node. The above steps are repeated n times. It aggregates the output of individual decision tree to give the best prediction. By using bagging, minimize the overfitting of data set, and it improves the model accuracy, and it deals with higher dimensional data efficiently than stacking. Stacking is an extension of the voting classifier or voting regressor by a higher level or blending level, whichever we say, which learn the best aggregation of the individual result. Stacking particularly useful when the result of the individual algorithm can be very different, which is almost always the case with regression, since continuous values instead of a few classes. Stacking algorithm can even span several layers, which make their training much more difficult. Let us imagine we have trained multiple classifiers and got the result, but we don't get the proper prediction result. And in this situation, stacking helps us by doing averaging that result, which we got from training the classifier, or by doing weighted sum as well. In the above example, we can see that we have training dataset which is trained on different classifiers C1, C2, and CM, and which give the result P1, P2, and PM, and we can take that all prediction and with help to stacking, and we got the final result which is PF.